So we are doing plaster house workshop here, and these students, they are from Acharya Nagarjuna University. And so this, as you know, this is an old structure, 200-year-old stone structure, and there was mud plaster on it, but it was broken, it was removed, chipped off due to rain, so it was in a bad condition, but the mix was good because it stayed for 100 years, this plaster. So we have saved that plaster, whatever was chipped off, and then what is our idea, we are going to reuse it, we are going to remix it, and we are reapplying it on the wall. As you can see, it is happening here, and these students, they are getting that experience how to use this tool and how to do plastering and everything.